Ain't nobody over there.
Kim little dusty self keep talking about she wants some damn Little Caesar. Hey, where you going? He keep thinking, she keep asking for motherfucking Little Caesars and shit. So, this is where we going. Who the fuck picked Little Caesars out of anything? Cause I want some Pizza Hut or something. This bitch on some Little Caesars with some damn ranch. That ain't it.
I can't believe they put whatever you see right here.
Come here, man.
The countdown gonna be grand.
Watch out. Watch out.
Just so y'all know, y'all, this probably one of our last videos we do together.
She a liar, y'all. Don't believe that bitch. This is so aggravating. What are those? So he kept saying he wanted some ice cream. So we came down here to see Kimba. But then we also made a couple of stops for ice cream. We got ice cream, right? We got ice cream? You want the ice cream? Yeah. So we got ice cream. Anyways, we're gonna be back with another video. Got our banana split. That's whipped cream, man. You don't eat. Why you keep getting that on your spoon? You know you don't eat that. You don't even like it. I keep telling why you keep getting that shit.
Ain't nobody over there.